Catch this, an intriguing nugget about human emotions you may not know. It's called mirror neurons. These are brain cells that fire not just when we're performing an action, but also when we see someone else performing that action. Fascinating, isn't it? Imagine seeing someone score a goal in a football match. Your heart races, you're pumped, you feel the thrill. That's mirror neurons at work. They help us understand and empathize with the emotions of others, creating a sort of emotional contagion. Now consider this. Ever wondered why you yawn when you see others doing the same? Yep, you've guessed it. It's those marvelous mirror neurons again. So next time you're watching a gripping sports match or a heart-wrenching film, remember it's not just you. It's your mirror neurons feeling the vibe too.